Innovative. Groundbreaking. Revolutionary. From the first internal gear pump 100 years ago to now, Viking Pump has always been a leader in pump manufacturing. Viking pumps play a key role in manufacturing and industry, from plastics, paint and petroleum to asphalt, oil, and chocolate. Each pump is uniquely designed for the task at hand. In fact, you take a look around your home, you may find that a Viking pump has played a role in many different products, such as the asphalt shingles, the paint on the walls, and the cooking oil in your kitchen cupboard. Viking pumps are used in virtually every industry today. The company has nearly 500 employees in Cedar Falls, Iowa, where it was founded 100 years ago. It all started in 1886 with a Danish immigrant named Jens Nielsen. He owned a limestone quarry at the corner of 18th and Main Street. Water seepage became a major problem in the quarry. Jens Nielsen wanted to pump water out of the quarry into a nearby creek, but the external gear pumps of the day weren't capable of lifting water high enough to accomplish such a task. Nielsen designed a new internal gear pump to solve his problem. After making wood carvings of his design, he enlisted the help of George Shorty Mathis to construct the first ever Viking pump. His rotary internal gear pump was built and patented in 1904. The first Viking pump was made of cast iron and weighed 900 pounds and could pump 900 gallons of water per minute. 7 years later, in 1911, Jens Nielsen and 3 other prominent town leaders joined forces to start a company. The men included P.C. Peterson, a machinist, W.L. Hurst, a doctor, and George Wythe, a shoe salesman. They named the company Viking Pump because 3 of the 4 company founders were Danish, and 60% of the initial financial investment came from the Danes of Cedar Falls. The first year, Viking Pump manufactured 50 pumps with 2 employees, generating $2,000 in revenue. Since then, the company has taken the lead in pump manufacturing worldwide. In 1912, the company moved from a rented building along the river into the first Viking Pump building on 4th Street, a 40 by 60 foot structure which still stands today. In the 1920s, Standard Oil needed to pump petroleum from the top of a railroad car to a delivery wagon. Viking Pump was the only company able to deliver, leading to the sale of thousands of pumps. As the Great Depression hit the country in the late 20s, many businesses folded, but Viking Pump forged ahead with the help of the oil industry. In the 1940s, Viking Pump supplied pumps for military equipment used in World War II. Viking pumps were used in a multitude of military applications during the war, including military ships and tanks. In 1959, Viking Pump built a new 50,000 square foot machine shop on Viking Road, paving the way for the Cedar Falls Industrial Park. Since the 1970s, the company has had several significant expansions in Cedar Falls and now has a workforce of nearly 500 strong. The company headquarters is located in downtown Cedar Falls, the Alloy Foundry at 7th and Bluff Street, and the Iron Foundry and manufacturing facilities on Viking Road. Today, Viking Pump is a part of the IDEX Corporation and has a global market with more than 550 employees worldwide and other manufacturing facilities in Ireland, Canada, and China. Viking pumps are found on all 7 continents, and with more than 245 worldwide distributors, our pumps can be found in more than 200 countries. Viking Pump's workforce includes engineers with experience to solve the customer's needs and expertise to design a pump tailored to industry's demands. From engineering phase to the foundry and finished pump, Viking Pump is vertically integrated to handle the needs of the customer from start to finish. Through the years, Viking Pump has been a leader in innovation with the true spirit of a Viking, facing challenges head-on. From the beginning, quality and excellence have been and remain the cornerstone of Viking's ongoing product development. Viking Pump is positioned to build on the legacy our founders began 100 years ago providing our customers with innovative, reliable, high-quality pumps for years to come.